Hey garden lovers, have you ever wondered how to grow those delicious Brussels sprouts right in your backyard? Well, today I'm going to show you how. Stick around because you'll be harvesting your own fresh, tasty Brussels sprouts before you know it. Let's dive in. Why grow Brussels sprouts? So why Brussels sprouts? Not only are they packed with nutrients like vitamin C and fiber, but they also taste amazing when roasted or sautéed. Plus, there's nothing quite like the satisfaction of eating veggies you've grown yourself. 2. Choosing the right spot. First things first, let's pick the perfect spot in your garden. Brussels sprouts need full sun, so find a place that gets at least 6 hours of sunlight each day. Also, they prefer cooler temperatures, so if you live in a warmer climate, consider planting them where they'll get some afternoon shade. 3. Preparing the soil. Next up, soil preparation. Brussels sprouts love rich, well-draining soil. If your soil isn't naturally fertile, don't worry. You can mix in some compost or aged manure, nutrient boost. Aim for a soil between 6.5 and 7.5 for the best results. 4. Planting time. Now, let's get planting. If you're starting from seeds, sow them indoors about 6-8 weeks before your last expected frost date. Once your seedlings are about 3 inches tall and the danger of frost has passed, you can transplant them outside. Space your plants about 18-24 inches apart to give them room to grow. 5. Caring for your plants. Caring for Brussels sprouts is pretty straightforward. Keep the soil consistently moist, but not waterlogged. Mulching around the base of your plants can help retain moisture and keep weeds at bay. Fertilize. A balanced fertilizer every few weeks will keep your plants
6.
healthy and productive.
Dealing with pests
like any garden
and
plant,
diseases.
Brussels sprouts can attract pests like aphids and cabbage worms. You can use insecticidal soap or introduce beneficial insects like ladybugs to keep them in check. Also, keep an eye out for diseases like clubroot or downy mildew and rotate your crops each year to prevent these issues. 7. Harvest time. Now, the part we've all been waiting for, harvest time. Brussels sprouts are usually ready to harvest about 90-100 days after planting. Start picking the lower sprouts first when they're firm and about 1-2 inches in diameter. Just twist them off the stalk and they're ready to cook. 8. Cooking and enjoying. Once you've harvested your Brussels sprouts, there are so many ways to enjoy them. Roast them with a bit of olive oil, salt, and pepper for a simple, delicious side dish. Or try them sautéed with some garlic and bacon for a real treat. And there you have it, folks. Growing Brussels sprouts in your backyard is easy and rewarding. Give it a try and let me know how it goes in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a gardening tip. Happy gardening. Thanks for watching and see you next time.